I want to go over a problem that I am noticing that some of you are doing. And so I'm going to take 3a squared minus 7a plus 2. And some of you are doing tic-tac-toe. And so when I do the product, I'm taking, to find the product, it is this number times this number, so that would be 6. And then to do the sum, this sum is the middle term, which is -7. Okay? And so then the antennas say the signs are the same, and the largest one is negative, and the large is negative. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do A is 3, C is 2, AC is 6, and I need to get -7. And I know that that is -6 and -1. Here's what was implied. Negatives do not go in here. Okay? So if I have a 1 here, when I put a 1 here, the -1 goes here. Those are not flip-flopped. And then I would put the 3 here and the -2 here. So the negatives go in the middle column if they need to be. I understand that a -3 times a +2 would be a -6, but remember our products, you don't usually have 2 negatives to make a positive. We always want our first one, so it would be 3a minus 1 and a minus 2. And so then if we're checking our terms, it's -1 and -6a, which would give us the -7a. And then first times first is 3a squared, and last times last is +2. So if I'm looking for a product, I need the first times the last. That gives me my product. My sum is my middle term. Leave negatives out of here. If you're going to need a negative to make your tic-tac-toe truthful, then they show up in the middle column.